All right, we've just gotten some water here, some nice clean water from Lake Nicaragua. So we'll go ahead and pour out a cup of this. Right off, I don't know if we can really make that out, but there's a fair amount of sediment and debris in that. Nice contaminated water. So I'm just going to set that there. And then what we're going to do here is take Puralytic's bag, and we're just going to walk through the process here of actually utilizing this bag. The first thing you want to do is to, when you're storing and handling this, to try to avoid folding it up or crunching it too much, as you can damage the mesh that's on the inside of this bag. What we want to do is first just to take off the lid here, and we're going to insert the material filter here, and what this does is it eliminates any frogs or sticks or anything that clearly we don't want going into the bag itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this around the throat of this, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill up the bag with some nice Nicaraguan water. Pretty much everything goes into Lake Nicaragua. Black water, gray water, garbage of all kinds. As you saw earlier on the film, the whole sides of Lake Nicaragua is just contaminants. Garbage has been dropped there, and I think once I'm able to hold this bag up, you'll see color, actual color from material that has gone ahead and gotten into the bag in the process. Real fine sediment. I'm just going to go ahead and top this off. Alright, I'm going to remove this filter. Now if you can see the filter itself, it's developed a brown color to it, and you can see that it's, if you can see in there at all, you see that it's developed, collected a fair amount of sediment. And yet here's the water as we start with it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead then, and this is a blue dye specifically designed for the purpose of determining when the water's safe to drink. And what you do here is to take this, what they call pure blue, and we're going to put 1 drop into the water. Okay. Got our 1 drop of blue dye. I think you can see it starting to spread around there. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the dye thoroughly, because what I want to see in the next couple hours is that blue is, for the most part, totally gone. And this is going to be our indicator when the bag is actually set out in the sun for a long enough period of time. So at this point, if you want to just turn that off.
Okay.